Hello, everyone on the internet, people on the internet I'm talking to right now, but not really talking to right now. Yeah. Hi, we begin. Hi. All right, folks. So I am doing a really quick update. I have not done an update in at least 5 months, at least 6 months. I don't know anymore. A lot of people ask, what the hell's happened? Where are you? What's going on? So I'm just gonna quickly go over those things and let you guys know of any updates that are going on and where you can find me this year, 2020. Day 2. And Tyler, where are we?
So, adventures with Tyler.
So, to put things bluntly, Tyler, Mr. Creature, and myself have moved back to Canada. Yay! That's not a good move for my boobs. Yeah, so we're in Canada, we're on an island, and we are happy, and we are busy. We're working so hard, we're trying so hard to get ahead in life, do good for ourselves. Yeah, we haven't come from very rich families growing up, so we have always known the hustle and what it takes to go somewhere in life, basically, without mommy and dad. So we are working really hard. We parked our trailer here. We brought it all the way up from Oregon. I'm so proud of Tyler. He had never pulled a trailer, like a fifth wheel or anything like that before, and for technically 72 hours he was doing it right away, and he did it like a boss. So I'm very proud of him. What else happened here? We parked our trailer. We've got a great location. We're set up. We do anything to the property we want. We tore down a shed, cleaned it all up, flattened it, installed septic, power underground, and we also built this overhang. You can see that video in my YouTube of us just making it. We didn't know what we were doing, but we still did it anyways because we really needed the protection for things like the snow. So we got a lot of snow here recently. We apparently broke the record, which was 104 years ago, which is kind of cool. Yeah, still not enough snow, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. It's getting slick out there, and when it gets really like icy slick, it's not really any more fun, and then you just gotta wait around and do nothing. We are here. We built our overhang. It's working out. We still have to shingle it. We have to get some tar paper and shingle it. That's money. Yeah, I am working on a lot of different things. What could I show you? I randomly painted this, super random. I'm still working on a lot of other things. Let's see here. Some things you'll see in 2020. So I've got the fish. You'll see that one soon. This was more random, just free flow, just feel good. This one was tester. I was learning something to teach myself. Yeah, I might give that away. So basically 2020 is going to be the year of giveaways for me and for you. So anybody who's interested in free things, I definitely will love to do that this year as much as I can. I'm giving back to people who've given to me, just giving to people who also support me. Being an artist full-time is really difficult. I'm sure everybody knows that, but I'm definitely trying to change that and show people that maybe it isn't that difficult and it just takes a different plan of attack. I'll have a website soon. There were some glitches, it's getting fixed. www.misscreature.com. Link will be available. When my website's up, I will announce it. I'll announce more. I really want to engage with all of my followers, fans, and supporters more, and I really want to meet more people this year. So I also have created a Twitch account, so you will be able to find me there playing video games for sure. There are some video games that I don't know anything about, and I'd also just recently tried to play video games on a small, cheap, shitty keyboard like this, and I've never played a shooter game or anything, let alone like Fortnite or something. I'd never played that before on a keyboard, and that was really difficult. If I try and play on Xbox controller, I will whoop all your asses. I'm just kidding. I won't, but I was really good a long time ago. Coming in first place a lot. I was TDM queen. Yeah, so Twitch will be a thing. Patreon will also be a thing. So if you want to see some really awesome things in the future, definitely join my Patreon, help me grow. I kind of want to do a subscription box this year. I would love to have FPV t-shirts once a month for people that are just from me. I would love to have car related t-shirts that are just from me for people a month. So let me know if you like that idea, or if you like stickers, or what you'd love to see. Yeah, so so we got Twitch, Patreon, the website. Yeah, there's just so much going on. I'm also my best friend's wedding planner this year. She's getting married. I'm very happy for her. But I'm learning how to be a wedding planner at the same time as doing all of this. Going to Vancouver tonight to go and see her try on her wedding dresses. Hopefully I don't get stuck in Vancouver, because we are expecting another storm warning. What else? Updates. Mr. Creature's doing awesome. He's doing great things. He's making beautiful things like bowls. This is one. It's got my rocks and stuff in it because I love rocks. Actually, do love rocks. Not rocks. Okay? Tyler has been making all kinds of things, and you can definitely end up finding those on my website once it's all ready. And I will definitely be giving away some things perhaps in the future. Some wood. And I made this shift knob. It looks like a salt and pepper shaker or something, but I like it. Whatever. It was my first try using the lathe. Tyler cleaned it up for me. It's all like super smooth now. I would have half-assed it. And yep. FPV. So yeah, I still fly. Definitely still fly. I have not flown in a while, of course, at least 5 months. I'm on a streak. The last you probably heard of me is when I built the baby skull and was about to go fly it and did not because there was a motor issue. And then that day of, being kind of stressed out about the new car we just got. That's another update. I left my Tyrannus, my controller in the rain overnight and fried it, which is not like me. But yeah, so then I was gifted one from a friend that donated like pretty much brand new FR Sky Tyrannus. I'm so happy about that. I feel very grateful. Benson and Bard, those guys deserve a shout out. I do fly FPV, just be patient. I can't wait to get back up in the air. I literally can't wait. Haven't even flown it, and I love it. It's great. I know it's great. It's gonna do great things. What else has happened? We got a new car. It's an 86 Tercel. You've probably seen it. That thing has been testing us non-stop. So that's fun. You'll see the saga. It continues. I've been doing lots of editing. So yeah, let me know the things that you would like to see, because I would absolutely love to engage with you guys and see what it is that you're after. I don't know how much more I'll do YouTube. Most of my videos might go to Patreon subscription only. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know how you're doing, what's new with you, all that fun stuff. It's cold in the trailer. It's messy. I'm sorry if you see behind me, it's really messy. We just the snow. You just want to stay inside, be cozy. You don't want to do anything. That's the snow. That is Canada. Yeah. Anyways, internet never friends that I'll probably never meet, or maybe I will. That would be super cool. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking the update, listening to me squawk about whatever is going on in my life. Yeah. Hopefully you guys are ready for what's next.